Ever thought that something as sweet and juicy as watermelon could actually help you drop a few pounds? Sounds too good to be true, right? But this refreshing summer fruit will just be your secret weapon for cutting calories, staying hydrated, and supporting a healthier lifestyle. If you're serious about your weight loss journey, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, because we've got a lot more practical tips coming your way. So what exactly is the watermelon diet? It's a short-term plan, usually lasting anywhere from 3 to 5 days, where watermelon becomes your main source of food. Because it's mostly water, over 90%, and extremely low in calories, around 46 per cup, it helps you feel full without adding much to your daily intake. People use it as a detox or a way to kickstart their weight loss journey. But the idea isn't to live on watermelon forever, just long enough to reset your system. When you eat mostly watermelon, your body naturally ends up in a calorie deficit. That's key for shedding fat. Since the fruit is hydrating and filling, it helps prevent cravings and unnecessary snacking. Plus, the high water content can help flush out excess salt and water retention, making you feel lighter and less bloated. Now let's talk about the science. Watermelon isn't just empty calories. It's loaded with essential nutrients like vitamin C, vitamin A, and potassium. These play major roles in immune function, skin health, and heart regulation. One of the standout components is lycopene, a powerful antioxidant linked to reduced inflammation and potentially lower risks of heart disease and certain cancers. Another compound, citrulline, improves blood flow and may reduce muscle soreness, making watermelon great post-exercise. Its natural sugars also offer quick energy, without the crash you get from processed snacks. To use the watermelon diet effectively, keep it short and focused, 3 to 5 days max. During this period, consume fresh, ripe watermelon as your primary food, and make sure you're drinking plenty of water too. You can also blend it into smoothies or pair small portions with salads for some variety. Outside of the cleanse, use watermelon as a low-calorie snack to replace chips or sweets, especially in the afternoon or post-workout when cravings hit hardest. However, don't treat watermelon as a miracle cure. Long-term weight loss requires a mix of whole foods, like lean proteins, healthy fats, and fiber. Relying on watermelon alone for too long can lead to nutritional deficiencies. The initial weight you lose is water weight, not body fat. So make sure to transition into a balanced, sustainable eating plan after the cleanse. To sum it up, watermelon isn't just sweet and tasty, it's full of water and nutrients that can help with weight loss. Use it the right way, stay consistent, and you'll see results.